Hello friends, I am Ashutosh Kumar Gupta. Welcome to our official YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss pair of linear equation in two variables which is of 10th class, and this is part 7 of this chapter. This is 7th video of this chapter, and today we will discuss equations which are reducible to linear equations. Example like equations which are of type 2 upon x plus 3 upon y equals to 13, and it can be reduced to linear equation. How it will be reduced we will discuss it. Before start, I would like to request you, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon so that you can get notifications of new videos. Okay, let's start. हमारी पूरी नई वीडियोस को लाइक जरूर करें और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें चैनल को। ओके, इक्वेशंस जो होती हैं वो हमारी किस फॉर्म में होती हैं? a1x प्लस b1y प्लस c1 इज इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड a2x प्लस b2y प्लस c2 इक्वल्स टू 0. We have studied to solve these two. By which method? One is substitution method, second is elimination method, and third is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication. Okay. So we have three methods to solve equations of this type of this form. We don't have any method till to solve this type of equations, like 2 upon x plus 3 upon y equals to 13, 5 upon x minus 4 upon y equals to minus 2. Now let us suppose that क्या ये पॉसिबल है कि हम इन इक्वेशंस को इस फॉर्म में ले आए? कुछ कर सकते हैं इसमें कि ये इक्वेशंस जो हैं वो इस फॉर्म में आ जाए और फिर उसके बाद में हम ये मेथड इनको सॉल्व करने के लिए लगा दें. तो एक तो तरीका ये है, अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ पर इन्हीं इक्वेशंस में से अगर हम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को नोट करें तो पाएंगे कि इसको 2 upon x कैन बी रिटन एज 2 into 1 upon x plus 3 into 1 upon y is equals to 13, and 5 into 1 upon x minus 4 into 1 upon y equals to minus 2. Okay, these two type of equations we can find. Now we can see 1 upon x is here, also 1 upon x is here, 1 upon y is here, and 1 upon y is here. So what can we do? Let 1 upon x equals to u and 1 upon y equals to v. Then our equation look like 2u plus 3v equals to 13 and 5u minus 3v equals to minus 2. These are the equations which are in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0 or ax plus by equals to c. Now we can solve these two equations very simply. How? We can see here, here we will write 4v. Okay, now we can apply on this elimination method, substitution method, as well as cross multiplication method. If we say for elimination method or for substitution method, we can write here 3v is equals to 13 minus 2u upon and v equals to 13 minus 2u upon 3. This is third equation. Putting this value of v in second equation, from second we get 5u minus 4 into 13 minus 2u upon 3 is equals to minus 2. And again on simplifying we get 5u minus 52 minus 8u upon 3 equals to minus 2. This is u, not 84. So 15u minus 52 plus 8u upon 3 equals to minus 2, and that came to 15 and plus 8, 15u plus 8u is 23u, and minus 52 is equals to minus 6. 23u equals to 52 minus 6, that becomes 46. 23u equals to u equals to 2. This is our u is came 2. Now this u is what? X, 1 upon x. So we can write u equals to 1 upon x equals to 2. That means x equals to 1 by 2. From here, when we get x, value of x, then simply we can put the value in this any of these two equations, and we will get the proper answer of y. But if we do not so अगर हम ऐसा नहीं करते हैं तो हम ये कर सकते हैं कि इस u की वैल्यू को इन दोनों में से किसी इक्वेशन में पुट करते हैं. अगर हम इसमें पुट करते हैं या यहाँ पे थर्ड इक्वेशन में कहीं पुट करते हैं तो v हमारा क्या आ जाएगा? v इक्वल्स टू 13 minus 2 into 2 upon 3. That means 13 minus 4 upon 3, and that becomes 9 upon 3, and v equals to 3. So v equals to क्या था? 1 upon y, and that is 3. So this implies y equals to 1 by 3. In this way we can solve these two equations which are not in the form of pair of linear equation in two variable. We can reduce them in linear form, and we simply apply any method. Either it may be substitution method or elimination method or cross multiplication method. I used substitution method. You can use elimination method, whatever you want to apply. Okay. Now second case, please take the screenshot of this. Okay. Now there is one more type of this equation. The second type is of like 10 upon x plus y, 2 upon x minus y, 15 upon x plus y, and 5 upon x minus y. These are two equations given, and we have to solve these two equations. How can we solve these two equations? We can solve this by simply again reducing them. How can we reduce them? Look, 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equals to 4. It can be written 10 into 1 upon x plus y plus 2 into 1 upon x minus y is equals to 4. And second equation is 15 1 upon x plus y plus minus 5 1 upon x minus y equals to minus 4. These are the two equations which we have to solve, and in this case we can see that 1 upon x plus y can be taken as a variable because it is present in first equation as well as in second equation. इस मेथड में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग क्या है कि हमें अपना वेरिएबल फाइंड आउट करना. हमारा वेरिएबल यहाँ पर क्या बनेगा, जो हम u या v मानेंगे या जो भी आप मानना चाहते हैं, s, t, p, q, r एनीथिंग, वो हम क्या मानेंगे, हम इन वेरिएबल से उसको कैसे बनाएंगे, x प्लस वाई पूरे को वेरिएबल मानेंगे या किसको मानेंगे, ये चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा दिक्कत वाली होती है. और इसको कैसे हम सॉर्ट आउट करते हैं कि यहाँ पर देखते हैं कि 1 अपॉन एक्स प्लस वाई can be taken as variable, and here also it is present. In second equation it is also present. So variable should be like जो पूरा का पूरा फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में और पूरा का पूरा सेकंड इक्वेशन में मिल जाए. अब जैसे यहाँ पे था 10 and 15. We can also make it like 2 here taken and 3 here and 5 upon x plus y, 5 upon x plus y. This is whole equal in both the equation. So we can let 1 upon x plus y for these two equations. We can take 1 upon x plus y as a variable or 5 upon x plus y as a variable, which is easy for you. You can take, but you can take from both. दोनों से देखो, दोनों में अगर कोई चीज बराबर आ रही है, दोनों में बराबर वेरिएबल मिल रहा है, तभी उसको हम वेरिएबल बनाएंगे. अदरवाइज हमें 1 अपॉन एक्स वाई से ही काम करना पड़ेगा. 1 अपॉन एक्स प्लस वाई, 1 अपॉन एक्स प्लस वाई will be taken as a one variable and 1 upon x minus y will be taken as another variable. So let 1 upon x plus y is equals to u and 1 upon x minus y is equals to v. We will get what? (10u plus 2v equals to 4), 15u minus 5v equals to minus 2. Now I want to rough some places. So now if we want to use which method? Cross multiplication. So we will write first 10u plus 2v minus 4 is equals to 0, 15u minus 5v plus 2 equals to 0. If we want to apply which method? Cross multiplication. Here we will take u, not x, because we have variable u and v. So u will taken as, and with u 2 into 4 minus 5 4 20, that is minus 4 into minus 5 is 20, and minus is already there in the formula. V upon minus 4 15 60 minus 10 20, again 1 upon minus 50 minus 30, and that 4 u upon minus 16 equals to v upon minus 80 and 1 upon minus 80, and that becomes u upon minus 16 equals to 1 upon minus 80, and that becomes u equals to minus cancel out, so it's 1 upon 5 or 16 upon 80, and that becomes 1 upon 5. Similarly, v upon minus 80 equals to 1 upon minus 80, and that becomes v equals to 1. Minus cancel, 80 cancel, v equals to 1. But 80 cancel means this is not, I am saying that v equals to this one. V equals to whole 1. Okay. So v equals to 1 and u equals to 1 by 5. What is our u? 1 upon x plus y is equals to u, which is equals to 5, 1 upon 5, and 1 upon x minus y equals to v equals to 1. That means this implies that x plus y equals to 5 and x minus y equals to 1. And again we will apply elimination method in this case. Adding both the equation, we will get 2x equals to 3 and ये third equation and ये fourth equation. Add 3 and 4, 2x equals to 6, so x equals to 3 and y equals to 2y equals to, and we will get x equals to 3, that means 3 plus y equals to 5 and y equals to. So in this way we can find out the answer, a solution of this equation which are reducible to linear equation. Now what is use of these two? These are used in time and work questions, word problems which are related with time and work, which are related with speed of stream and boat cases, we can apply in these. We have made the equation in this form, and again we will reduce them into linear equation, and after that we can simply find out the solution of those equations. Okay, with this chapter will be completed. So I hope you will enjoy the chapter. This is chapter 3. In next videos we will discuss some more topics of class 10. With this, thank you and have a nice day. Please subscribe our channel.